Hello, hello everybody. My name is Huy. I am from Bình Phước province. I would like to talk about my best friend. My best friend is named Das, and he is 21 year old. He optimistic. Uh, uh, play play loving play badminton, loving dancing, playing badminton, reading, swimming. Uh, he had short hair. He told he smart and very funny. Uh, that that is all. Thank you for your listening.